अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन वल आक़िबतु लिल मुत्तक़ीन सय्यिदना मुहम्मद व अला आलिहि व अस्हाबिहि अजमाइन अम्मा बाद फ़क़द क़ाल अल्लाहु तबारक व तआला फ़ी कलामिहिल मजीद वल फ़ुरक़ानिहिल हमीद अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम वमा अताकुमुर रसूलु फखुदूहु वमा नहाकुम अन्हु फंतहु इला आखिरिल आया सदक़ल्लाहु मौलानाल अज़ीम अल हदीसुश शरीफ क़ाल नबी सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम हुब्बुल वतनी शत्रुल ईमान औ कमा क़ाल अलैहि सलातु वस्सलाम इन्नल्लाहा व मलाइकतहु युसल्लूना अलन नबी या अय्युहल्लज़ीना आमनू सल्लु अलैहि व सल्लिमू तस्लीमा अस्सलातु वस्सलामु अलैका या रसूलल्लाह अस्सलातु वस्सलामु अलैका या हबीबल्लाह व अला आलिका व अस्हाबिका या इमाम जद्दिल हसन वल हुसैन। Dear audience, sitting scholar on the stage and comrades from far and near, first of all, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. After the salam, if I told you before that today the topic of my speech is the role of youth in nation building. Dear audience, youth is the spring of life. It is the age of discovery and dreams. They have the power to transform the nation into a better place. They also have the ability to lead their fellow citizens into the right direction. Dear audience, youths are fighters. They fight for an identity in society, equality, the homeless, unemployment, exploitation, poverty, and other problems which the world focus today. Dear audience, these are our life and nation. They will make our country pride. The country will be recognized. In fact, youth play one of the most important role in nation building. Dear audience, youth are not only the leaders of tomorrow, but also the partners of today. Young people are social actors of change and progress. They are a crucial segment of the nation's development. Their contribution, therefore, is highly needed. Dear audience, youth is that class in which revolutionary thought spring to mind, and this thought shape the world we live in. Bill Gates, the founder of Microsoft, is a living example. He had a revolutionary thought and he exercised his thought, and look how he has changed the world today. That's why youth are considered the pillars of development. Youth can be considered to be almost the whole population because I am carrying the words of several old people.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah.
Dear audience, national building refers to the process of engaging all the citizens in the development of a nation. The future as well as the present of our country is in the hands of its youth. So the contribution of youth is important in structuring the nation. Dear audience, I will ignore my speech by a poet. लेके रहेंगे पाकिस्तान, लेके रहेंगे पाकिस्तान, बन के रहेगा पाकिस्तान। न हिंदों से, न सिखों से, न सरकार से है, न हिंदों से, न सिखों से, न सरकार से है, गिल्ला रसवाई इस्लाम का अहरार से है। Dear audience, may Allah endow us to act upon what I have just delivered. Wa akhiru dawana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.